Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Kaisa Fasyazia. I'm from PBA. Now I want to reading about the city of the future. What will city life be like in the future? Some people think that life in the city is going to be horrible. They predict that city will become more and more crowded. As the number of people increase, there will be less space for each person. This overcrowding will cause other problems we have now. How will people find enough drinking water, energy, such as gas and electricity and housing? Because life will be hard, people reason some say to nobody will want to live in urban area. How can we solve such as problem as overcrowding, crime and traffic? Because there's so little subtotal housing and become rent areas so high, the crime rate isn't going down. Instead, is increasing so fast that many people are afraid to go out at night. Traffic is also getting all for several blocks. These urban problems have been worsening, not getting better. So many people see no hope for the future of the city. Los Angeles, California, for instance, has nobody's system, and the views are slow. Instead, most commuters drive many miles from their home to work. Many of these drivers spend several hours each day on busy freeways. New York, by Congress, has a mass transit system, bus, commuter transit, and subways because public transportation is crowded and dirty. However, many people drive private cars, and the traffic jam area worse than in Los Angeles. A typical driver complains, "It will driving home, but in 4 or 5 minutes, I move only 2 blocks." Finally, I turned off the engine and just sat there. A lot of people left their cars where they were in the middle of the street and went into a bar for a few beers. On the other hand, some cities have clean, fast, and pleasant public transportation system. In Paris, France, and Toronto, Canada, for example, anyone can use mass transit to move quickly from one part of the city to another. Some city planners believe each city is unique. In other words, that because of cultural difference, one city cannot copy a solution, a special problem from another, but other feel that city learn from one another. Not all people believe in the horrible prediction for city of the future. Instead, they feel that they can solve present urban problem and present future ones. The disadvantages of any modern city are not unique to that city. That is, cities all over the world have to solve the problem of traffic jam, crime, housing, energy, drinking water, and overcrowding. Yet, many cities have found an answer to one more of these difficult. Some European cities, such as Stockholm, Sweden, or London, England, have. Thank you. Enough just for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.